Hey guys, this is Adam with AGS Precision. We wanted to bring you a video today showing the different 22 long rifle cases available on the market. The first one's from Grey Ops. Now this case can hold 80 rounds of 22 long rifle ammo and is built around a Pelican case. Now the benefits of this case are that it's going to be very strong, being that it's built on a Pelican case with aluminum. But the downsides of it are that it only holds 80 rounds of ammo. Now for a typical NRL 22 match, you're going to want more ammo than that, so you'll probably have to buy more than one of these cases. Also, it's hard to get 80 rounds of ammo into this case. Now they explained on their product tutorial video that you can take the first 50 round holder, put a piece of cardboard on the top of it and flip it over, and then remove the plastic insert that came from the factory, and then put their aluminum insert over the top of those rounds and then flip it back over to get those rounds in. Now, to get the last 20 rounds in that case is going to be a little bit more difficult. You may have to do that by hand. Now, to help secure the cases, or the ammo in their case, they use a clear plastic slider. Now, this is good because it keeps the ammo secure, but it doesn't put a constant pressure on the top of those 22 long rifle rounds, so they may move around a little bit. Now, this second case I found from a seller on Facebook. Now they provide this black 3D printed insert that goes inside of a Pelican case. This one is actually designed to go inside of the Pelican case with the ribbed liner, but it's still going to function about the same in this type of liner. Now the problem I see with this is it's got a big space around the outside. Now it probably doesn't cause a whole lot of issues, but it does move around a little bit and isn't very secure. Now this case is designed specifically for the Lapua style of ammo, and it has 3 raised boxes inside of it. Those boxes are meant to raise the ammo above the plastic holder that came from the factory and allow you to more easily pick out each round. Now the problem with this is that the tip of all of your ammo is resting right on top of that hard plastic. So any kind of drop or fall, your ammo is sitting right on a hard piece of plastic that could easily dent or damage your ammo. So I was really not a fan of that. Also, this is quite a loose fit. If you look very closely, you can see that this ammo moves around quite a bit and it just isn't a solid fit. I wouldn't trust this with the safety of my ammo, and I don't recommend it. The third product we're showing you is the AGS Precision Perfect 22 long rifle case. Now full disclosure, this is the one I designed, but I wanted to give you the pros and cons of each. So this case is designed to hold the Lapua style of ammo holder. There's also a separate one for Ely, but the ammo fits over the top of this insert in a Pelican case and is a very secure fit, and this foam fits on the top of the case and provides a nice solid fit, so it doesn't move at all. Also, one interesting benefit of this style of case is that the top plate can be removed and put underneath with the foam facing up, and the ammo can be put back on top of that foam, so it's got a very soft padded surface for that bullet to sit on. Also in this configuration, the top can be closed and it's just as secure as having it in the other configuration. The fourth case that we'll be talking about today is one made by Voodoo Gunworks in collaboration with Inflection DE. Now this is still a prototype at the making of this video, so things could change, but I've attached some pictures from their Facebook page, and from these photos you can see some of the benefits of it is that it can hold 200 rounds of 22 long rifle, which is a lot, but more than you'll typically need for an NRL 22 match, and 2 magazines. So this is a pretty good sized case, and I think that's actually one of the downsides of this case is the size of it. If you're going to be using this case to load your magazines on your bench, it's going to take up quite a bit of bench real estate. So I think that this case is a little bit big for most of our shooting. Now it does secure the ammo and the magazines, which is a benefit that I haven't seen from other cases. Now, one other concern that I have about this case right now is the egg carton foam that's on the top of this case. I'm not so sure that this is going to hold those 22 rounds in very securely, but time will tell. This is still a prototype at this time. So thanks for watching this with us. This is Adam, again with AGS Precision, and we hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please click a thumbs up, and also look for other videos of a more in-depth review of the AGS Perfect 22 long rifle case, as well as our demolition of that case, and I know you guys are going to enjoy that. So thanks for watching.